Dads, please pack a bag for your toddler that includes everything they will need for the day. You will be running errands and then will make a stop at the playground. You'll be gone for a few hours. Everything you need is located in the nursery, kitchen, and playroom. You have 3 minutes. Oh, and don't forget, you have to watch your toddler while you pack.
I have to hold him.
Okay, how am I gonna do this?
Why would anyone do that? Strap him in.
I honestly don't think I can do it well.
I'm ready. Bring it on.
We gotta get some diapers, of course. Of course, we need some wipes. We'll take that. Oh, better take some butt taste. We need to take a change of clothes. That's what we need to do.
All right, here we go, buddy.
Put some fruit in here. Ooh, those look good. I'm not putting junk food in there. Maybe your mom may be watching this video. We're running out of room here. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot something. Declan, we gotta go back. We gotta get you something to drink here. All right.
So, certainly seems like you got a lot of stuff in here.
There's a lot of stuff.
All right, let's look at what you got. Wow, 2 sets of 3 pants?
I know. These kids get dirty, you know.
4 pairs of pants? Now, what were your thoughts on this?
Suck his nose out. You know, you never know when it starts running. You know, you gotta.
Okay.
I don't know what those are, but they look like something they might eat, and they're just his right size.
You packed the Sprout Organic Crispy Chews. These are a great healthy snack. Grabbed a few of them, so that's good.
Well, I tried to stay away from the cookie type stuff because this looked more healthy for the kids.
You are a real pro. Great
Oh,
job.
I don't know about that.
Great job.
We gotta think food in, food out. Butt paste. Yeah, that work for you? Okay, we got food in, we got food out. Let's go for toys. You can want to play with that. What? I don't know what you're saying. I don't speak that language. We got everything.
What's wrong with your arm?
Holding the baby.
Now what is this about?
Well, that was to keep him from crying while I was trying to pay attention.
You know, it's kind of cold out in some socks, so maybe, you know, you can use the socks in the flip-flop.
First,
Wow.
boom.
Thought of everything.
Totally wouldn't use this.
There's nothing in the first two. You got a nice hot beverage for yourself.
Nailed it. You can say it. Nailed it.
We're gonna set a speed record, okay? Don't worry, buddy. We're gonna give you some of these later. We gotta bring your favorite toy. Which of these coats would you like? Huh?
Okay, so jackets, that's good.
like
Cold weather. And hat and gloves.
Yep, got the gloves.
Excellent. How many wipes do you got here? How many
Well,
wipes do you need?
We need a lot of wipes. He has a lot of orifices that leak things, so
Were you gonna give him donuts?
only if the situation absolutely required it. Mom,
How about this?
that's for me.
One healthy snack. Good. These are the Sprout Organic Crispy Chews. I love these.
Yeah, those are for me too.
Well, these are great toddler snacks because they have a full serving of real fruits and veggies.
Oh,
High
thank
five.
Woo.
You officially won this challenge.
Yeah!